Continuing a centuries-old tradition, the Jamatia Hoda, the apex socio-religious body of the Jamatia community, has officially undertaken the responsibility for the annual Puja at the Mata Tripura Sundari Temple and the Udaipur Shiv Bari on March 16, 2026.
Addressing a press conference at the Udaipur Information and Cultural Affairs Department, representatives of the Hoda explained that these rituals serve as a vital prelude to the upcoming Gauriya Puja, the most significant festival for the indigenous communities of Tripura. According to tradition, seeking the blessings of Goddess Tripureshwari and Lord Shiva during the month of Chaitra is mandatory before the week-long Gauriya festival begins in April. This ritual is believed to ensure the prosperity and well-being of the community for the coming year. On March 16, the two Hoda Okras, the supreme priests of the Jamatia community, will lead the religious proceedings. Following the rituals in Udaipur, the Hoda will proceed with Ganga Puja across major rivers like the Gomti and Khwai, marking the final countdown to the grand Gauriya Puja celebrations.
Chini, Jamatia Hoda ni ngui, Mata Tripura Sundari Temple, Baba Shiv Puja ni bangui, Chini Information Cultural ICT Office Udaipur, Press Bibriti ni bangui, Asok laika, asok mani jagawa. Ani loge tongo Chini Bawagira Mission ni President Prem Sosi Jamatia, Vice President Ponnodol Jamatia, Chini Jamatia Hoda ni General Secretary Juti Jamatia, ani yak sigo tongo ICA tini Assistant Director Tinku Madam, yang tongo Podo Sadon Jamatia, Auditor, Chini ICA tini Senior Officer, Dal Bisas, Chini Loge Ram Bodo Jamatia, Ramkumar Jamatia, Zeng Buskang, Chaitra 1 tarik, Ingraji, 16 tarik, Chini Matabari, Shiv Bari wo, Hoda Jamatia Hoda ni mui tanai. Orniwo Chini Bista Moyal ni Jamatia Busharok, Jotono Painai, Nge Orniwo Muita Taniwo Chini Hodani, Jamatia Hodani Osai by Kaijanai, U Osai by Jara, Puja Kaya Musunai Ronge, Jotono, Tripura Basino Sun, Amontron Kaimane, Ring. Chini 17 tarik honke tuima ama gumotio sang tanai Udaipur Gokulpur Gato Science City Gandaro nge 17 tarik pore 18 tarike Burimawo sang taipine Burima tuimawo boni pore 19 tarik honke sang Kosoma ba Khwai nodiwo taine aprokene chini muitamani samung painai Haige Chaudhary Novo Maicha Oyakroy, Joto Oroni Kosonai. Nge 16 by 17 hange jehetu Chini Udaipur. Gumuti Jalawa ungnai, apro borobu biringnai, haini bangui, Rajyo Prashason, tai Udaipur Basi, tai Oroniyo Phalnai rok, Jotonono, onnaino bosoro jebabe chungno sohojogita khaiu, thik haikeno chungno sohojogita khaiteng honai boron thani chung abedon narogu. Nge bisas khai chung Rajyo Prashason ni thanibo 16 tarik wo jehetu gari parking ni samoysya mo Shiv Bari wo boni jate সঠিক ভাবে প্রয়োজনীয় ব্যবস্থা না নিবাঙ্গই जों রাজ্য প্রশাসন থানিবো কইমু নারগু
The Hoda leadership emphasized that this practice dates back to the era of the Manikya kings, who granted the Jamatia community, historically the warrior clan of the kingdom, the exclusive right to perform these specific annual pujas. Reported by Rajiv from Udaipur, Chini, Khorang.